Hey guys, I'm Alvin and welcome to another One More Week to Go trip report. I've just arrived at Colombo International Airport, having flown in from Abu Dhabi on a red-eye flight. It's still super early in the morning and I've made my way to Sri Lankan Serendip Lounge, where I'll be spending a few hours until my next flight to Mali on Sri Lankan's A330 Business Class. It'll be a brand new airline for me, so I'm really excited to see what they offer. And here we go, boarding an A330-300, one of 7 in Sri Lankan's fleet. Business class boarded from the first door, with economy at the second. The seat configuration in business class is a 1-2-1 reverse herringbone layout, which, as you know, is my personal favorite. There are 7 rows of seats, making 28 in total. For this flight, I'm seated in 3A. Waiting on the seat was a pillow, and on the footrest, a light blanket. There's no amenity kit provided, as it is such a short flight. Pre-departure drinks were served, from which I selected an orange juice. The tray table swivels out and flips open like so. Of course, you've got the noise-cancelling headphones, universal power outlet, seat controls, IFE controller, and an LED reading lamp. There's some storage space on the side here, and a footrest providing tons of legroom. And here's the blanket, which was light and soft. As with all reverse herringbone seats, the screen flips out like so, and can be stowed when not in use.
Upper strap and tighten. To open your seatbelt, lift the upper portion of the buckle. You are advised to keep your seatbelt fastened.
I don't know why, but I found this part of the safety video very amusing.
Seatbelts are equipped with airbags. This is your life vest demonstration. For passengers in the economy cabin, the life vest is located under your seat.
Pretty soon, we made our way to a very wet runway 22. The rain here really comes down in buckets. The flight today is a very short hop at just 45 minutes. Since I won't have time to watch anything from the IFE, let's just briefly see what's available. There's a good mix of Western films and foreign films. The meal service starts very soon after departure because of the short flight duration. Here's the menu for today. Sorry if the clip is a bit fast. Hot towels were handed out in preparation for meal service. Doesn't hurt to give it a good wipe. As is the case with short flights, the meal is served all on one tray. I opted for the Sri Lankan style milk rice trio, which I found really delicious, but also surprisingly spicy. It came with your choice of bread as well as fresh fruit. By the time the meal was wrapping up, we were already setting up for our descent into Mali. The mood lighting in the cabin really embodied the Sri Lankan colors. One cool thing about Mali's airport is that they only have one runway and no taxiways, so any plane that has landed will need to do a 180 at the end of the runway and backtrack to get to the gate. Reminds me a bit of St. Martin. Well, that concludes my shortest trip report yet. While not a full review by any means, this 45-minute flight gave me a glimpse into Sri Lankan's business class offering. The hard product is similar to other reverse herringbone products I've flown before, like Cathay's A330s. The food was tasty and spicy, and I would love to try a full meal service with them on a longer route. The crew were friendly, but compared to EVA, ANA or JAL, they still have some way to go. As always, make sure to like and subscribe if you found this enjoyable. It'll help us continue making content for you guys. Thanks for watching, happy travels, and see you in the next one.